Hello guys, welcome to Medical Maniac. After the Omicron variant, there is a new addition in connection with the family of coronavirus. We'll call it as Florona. But don't worry, this is not a new variant of coronavirus. For the first time in history, the Florona disease has been reported in Israel. This news is coming amidst the COVID-19 restrictions that have been tightened in various parts of the world with the advent of the Omicron variant. According to an Arab news report, this is the first time that Florona disease has been confirmed in a person. Florona is the combined version of COVID-19 and influenza together. The new disease has emerged as Israel prepares to offer a fourth dose of the COVID vaccine in the wake of the new Omicron variant outbreak. According to the international media reports, Florona was reported in a pregnant woman who was admitted to the hospital for her delivery. She had not received the COVID-19 vaccine and was tested positive for both COVID and flu virus. The news agency ANI reports that Florona is a condition that confirms both the coronavirus and influenza virus. But this is not a new variant of COVID. Israel experts have been researching the possibility of influenza and measles simultaneously. The study comes at a time when more and more people in the country are reported with influenza. Experts say that both diseases are reported at the same time due to a breakdown in the body's immune system. The doctors say that there is no need to worry about this condition as it is not a variant of COVID. There have been reports of Florona will disappear naturally after the winter, but the disappearance theory has not been scientifically proven. So what are the symptoms of Florona? Corona and flu are the respiratory diseases that attack the airways. They also have very similar symptoms. The common symptoms are fever, tiredness, runny nose, loss of appetite, sore throat, cough, vomiting, headache, and fatigue. The combination of both these viruses can cause pneumonia. Swelling of the tissue as a result of the infection in the lungs can be a very serious condition. Pneumonia can be caused by either a bacterial, viral, or fungal infection, and the inflammation of the airways cause breathing difficulties and can damage the lungs. This is the one main reason why some COVID-19 and flu patients end up requiring ventilation support. The flu virus can also cause an inflammation of heart muscles and brain and lead secondary bacterial infections that can increase the risk of sepsis and multi-organ failure. Thus, this is a condition to be taken care of because it may get worse after exceeding the threshold. So, how is this Florona diagnosed? Florona diagnosis is difficult because patients need to be tested for two different viruses to confirm the presence of both. This is actually how the first Florona case was confirmed in Beilinson Hospital. The carrier was a pregnant woman who went into labor at Rabin Medical Center. She was diagnosed with the flu and coronavirus as soon as she arrived. Both tests came back positive even after we checked again, said by Professor Arnon, the director of the Rabin Medical Center's gynecology department. She was not vaccinated against either pathogen, but luckily she is recovering from the double infection. So what is the treatment for Florona? There is no specific or special treatment for Florona. There is no treatment for the virus. We can only minimize the symptoms. So the same treatment procedure is used for COVID-19 and the flu is used for Florona also. A British study regarding vaccinations has recently found out that it is completely safe for people to receive a COVID-19 vaccine and a flu shot at the same time. It was proved that going for two shots does not negatively impact the immune response produced by either vaccine shot. The new study is important as the number of flu cases is increasing day by day in Europe. It is expected that in the coming days, the combination of both these viruses will be prevalent. So it is better to take both the COVID jab and the flu jab. Also, the preventive measures for both viruses are similar. Social distancing, using masks, hand washing, avoiding crowded places and boosting immunity. So if you are complying with the COVID protocol, you can stay away from Florona. People with weakened immune systems can fight the disease by being careful and trying to boost their immunity through diet. Health experts say that the low use of masks during low incidence of COVID cases is the reason for the confirmation of diseases like florona. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share and subscribe. We'll meet you on another video of Medical Maniac. Bye.